Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, we'll talk about is Samsung Smart TV good? So first things first, we have the picture quality. Samsung Smart TVs are known for excellent display quality. Their QLED and OLED models offer sharp 4K and 8K resolution, vibrant color, and deep contrast. It's perfect for movies, gaming, and sports. Now for performance and features. You get fast processors, smooth motion handling, and low input lag. Most models support HDMI 2.1, making them great for the next-gen gaming consoles. Now with their smart features. Samsung's Tizen's OS is fast, responsive, and packed with popular applications like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. Voice assistants like Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant are built in too. Now, with their connectivity and updates, they have great Wi-Fi, screen mirroring, and frequent software updates, making them reliable and future-proof. Now let's talk about with any downsides. Some budget models may lack Dolby Vision. Also, Tizen OS isn't as customizable as Android TV. So as a verdict, yes, Samsung Smart TVs are a solid choice in this year for their display, features, and smart ecosystem. Just pick the right model for your needs and budget.